Here we are at the airport. There are a whole bunch of planes parked here at Page Field Airport. Some of them are already doing their routines here. You can see a plane flying there if you can. There is a Cub here, and these are different planes which are parked all around. And I'll be walking towards one of the planes, which is 18 uniform, and start the pre-flight of the plane. So I grab my stuff. Which includes my headset, my seat, and my bag, and walk towards the plane. There's some people getting into this Sierra Papa, that's one of the planes, and the plane that I would be going is along that line, and we'll get into that later.